What's up, you guys? It is Kyra and I'm back again with another vlog. So today's video is going to be a vlog that I am sticking to. Yeah, I have a bad habit of starting vlogs and never finishing them, but I'm not doing that today. This is my last week as a... Well, I'm trying to think of the correct way to explain this. This is my last week of a bookwork class for becoming a RMA. So my next class that I'm taking after this is basically just studying to become certified. So it's just like a study prep class. But other than that, I am finished with my training. And then after that, after we study prep, take the RMA exam, then I go on my internship where I will actually be working in a doctor's office. So basically, time is winding up. I'm almost done. I cannot wait to be done and just be out here working for real. But as of right now, I do have to do this last week of class. And what we're doing today is presenting our research projects. I personally did my research project on COVID-19. Yeah, I know, kind of basic right now, but that's what I decided to do my project on. And I am going to try and record because I need footage. Like, I want y'all to, you know, come along with me and enjoy my day and see what I have going on. So I'm going to try and record when I get my presentation. There's people before me, so I should have time to set the camera up and whatnot. And yeah, so let's just get right into the day. Yeah, so all I did was my eyebrows, excuse my messy room, was my eyebrows and my lashes. So clear skin for the win. Like, I finally kind of feel a little bit confident with no makeup on, but my skin still needs some work, but whatever. Also, this is a new stethoscope. It's not the same one I had. This is a cheap one that I honestly just got from Walmart. But I'll talk to y'all a little bit more in this video. But right now, I kind of just... life isn't going great, so I had to buy this cheap one. It was only like $10. So it'll do for right now, but I probably am going to have to upgrade soon. But as of right now, I can't spend money on crazy things. But it's really not crazy because I need it for school and my internship pretty soon. And then also the internship coordinator, she's been coming in and speaking with us, and she let us know that we do have to have a watch with a second hand. Obviously I don't have a watch, so I'm going to have to go out and buy a watch. I'm probably going to get one from Walmart as well. Excuse me. I'm not going to get anything fancy, but yeah. One thing I do need to do before I go and get this presentation is make me like some mini note cards or something, because y'all, I am a last minute type of person, but I kind of want to be prepared before I get the speech. But I think I'm gonna do that at school, so yeah. Okay guys, so we are finally in the car, off to a very like slow and awkward start. It is raining where I live, so I had to go put this hoodie on, go wrap my hair up because I do have a blowout right now. I know I need to stop blow drying my hair, but really I've been very stressed out lately, and I blew dry my hair just to make it easier to deal with. And that's why, you know, I got the 2 braids today, because I was just like, I need it blown out so it can just be easy to do or whatever. Then I had to run back upstairs because I barely have any gas. My car is like has the digital screen, so it does tell me that I can drive 33 more miles without getting gas, which I know it's not gonna take me 30 miles to get to the school and back, but it's gonna be pretty like low. And you really shouldn't drive with like your thing so close to E, but I've done it before, so I know I can do it. But I just went ahead and got my debit card because I'm like, I need to get gas. There's no way to keep avoiding it. So I am just about to be on my way to school. Also, I don't know about where you guys live, but in the county that I live in, masks are mandatory. So I do have a mask in my pocket, don't worry. But I'm just wondering, I feel like we're going to be allowed to take the mask off to give our presentations, because why would you give a presentation with masks on? My original plan was to be early, but I might not be early. But anyways, I don't want y'all to fall down, so I will talk to you when I get to school. Ah, shit. Yeah, my coworkers are funny. They freaking texting me early in the morning, and I'm like, yeah, like, if y'all need some entertainment, come to my job. Like, come to my job if you need some entertainment, for real. Let me see what this say. Oh my gosh. Also, so I'm at school now, obviously. I done parked and stopped. I'm about to take this off. Y'all, I'm not a Bonetta or a Bonisha or whatever, you know, they be calling them. If y'all don't watch Shira 7, y'all need to watch her, and y'all will, you know what I'm talking about. Not a pick Misha or whatever. So I really don't be trying to walk around with my hair tied up or with bonnets on. But since it's raining, I am going to put my hood on until I get into the building. But this hair tie has got to go. That is housewear, not out the housewear. I don't care what nobody say. Have y'all seen a news story where the lady basically got mad because they kicked her out of her kid's school for having on, you know, this long t-shirt and a bonnet, basically in housewear? To me, I agree with the school. People need to stop walking around like that. And it's not even like you gotta get cute every single day, but you should at least be able to straighten your hair up enough to where you don't need to walk around in public with the bonnet on. But yeah, I'm about to get my bags and go inside because I do have to write these note cards before I give my presentation.
Ooh, good topic, sis.
How to start whenever.
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay, so I did my presentation on COVID-19, and right now we are in an active pandemic over this virus. So all the numbers in this presentation is subject to change because it was just at the current time when I made the PowerPoint. But I do also have some more recent numbers on my note cards here. But yeah. So COVID-19 is better known as the coronavirus. It is an illness spread through a virus through person-to-person contact. And in extreme cases, it can lead to death. So basically, COVID-19 is caused from the SARS virus, which turns into CoV-2 and then leads to COVID-19, basically. So as of right now, the numbers are rising. This was just kind of more current when I made it, but as of right now, it says that the cases in the U.S. is at about 3.9 million and 13K in deaths. And then in Kansas, for Sedgwick County, the number is about 23,000 cases and 300 deaths. So despite the media attention, the survival rate for COVID-19 is pretty, like, it's not high, but you know what I mean? So the mortality rate is a little bit over 10%. So you can possibly contract COVID-19. I wouldn't suggest it, but you can contract it and survive. You're not just automatically going to die. So some of the most common risks to getting this is being elderly, so 65 plus, assisted living, or a Medicare recipient. And then also if you have a compromised immune system. So basically if you have pre-existing conditions, and two of the most common ones are asthma or pregnancies, they can make you more susceptible to getting this disease. And then COVID-19 is known to attack your respiratory system. So if you have asthma, you're kind of like at way high risk because you already might have troubles with breathing.
Exactly.
So, yes?
Can you go back one? Why is it Medicare recipients?
That's what I
Because
wondered.
Medicare, you're 65 plus, right?
Not everyone, but yeah.
I thought, well, I
Unless
just
you
needed
have
more
renal failure.
to even it out. Yeah,
Okay,
unless
but
you
that's
have
what you mean.
kidney
That's what you
failure.
mean.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. That's what. Okay. That's what I thought, but I was like, hold on. Where do you
Okay,
see this?
so signs and symptoms is fever, shortness of breath, sleepiness, and then loss of taste and smell. But some people have reported no symptoms, and then all of a sudden that's when the respiratory problems started and they just got really sick. But yeah, so I do have a short little video in here, so just be 1 second. Okay, you guys, so I am home. It is the afternoon since I've been to class. I did also stop at my job because tomorrow, since it is our last week in class, we're having like a food day, game day. So I stopped and got muffins that I'm going to bring tomorrow. And I need to go talk to some people at my job, even though I do have to be there later on at 6:30. The people that I had to speak with, they don't work this late. And then also, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm kind of like all over the place. I just feel very tired right now. Like I said, I have to be at work at 6:30, but I also have to go back to school at 5 because I am wrapping up all of my hands-on work and I need to get more blood draw. So I'm going back at 5 to draw more blood from people. So yeah, sorry, I just feel really tired right now. Yeah, I need to find a time to talk to you guys in this vlog, but right now I need to lay down for a few. Okay, guys, so it is another day, but I am continuing the vlog so that it is longer. I am just up cleaning my apartment right now. That is what I'm showing you guys. I never did a tour because I just didn't. I don't have everything decorated the way I would like it, so that's why I didn't do a tour. I'm not sure if I'm going to decorate or not, because honestly with school and stuff, and this only being a 6-month lease, I don't even know how long I'm gonna be here. I might not resign after the 6 months. I might move back home, but everything is kind of just up in the air right now, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm up cleaning. I would have kind of did like a mini clean with me and showed you guys the process, but it was so messy in here. I was kind of even embarrassed to like record. But I'm always on the go. I'm always busy, but I'm trying to get better on keeping everything nice and neat. But I already did the kitchen, and those are clean. I had to hand wash those because I didn't want to put them in the dishwasher. And obviously I have my vodka and wine and glasses that I hand washed. There's no actual water in there, but all the other dishes are in the dishwasher, so the sink is free. I cleared my table off, went ahead and wiped it down and put some fake flowers in because my real ones died. Got my mirror that needs to be Windex, but I don't think I have any Windex, and I'm not going to purchase any right now. Then I just straightened up my couch, and I added these 2 pillows for my bed and added them on my couch instead. I don't know how I like that, but my plan is eventually to get some photos to put up there on this wall and to get rid of that little flower thing right there. But like I said, I don't know if I'm even going to go all out and decorate this apartment because I don't know how long I'm going to be here. It depends on if I get offered a job during my internship or not. But yeah, so I'm about to clean up my bathroom and my room, and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so far with cleaning, like I showed you guys, I've completed the kitchen, my living room, and now I'm halfway through with my bathroom. But I am about to go because what my day is consisting of is responding to Instacart orders since I am off. So I just got an order and I'm about to do it. It's not that much money, but it's only a few items and not that far away, so I decided to just take this one and go deliver it real quick. So that's what I'm about to do. I think I'll vlog and kind of take you guys with me, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm officially home. Let me turn this YouTube video off I'm listening to. I did 2 Instacart orders, and now I'm home about to make myself some lunch. I made about 30 bucks today, so that's good for, you know, just delivering groceries. I don't know, that's good. But I'm about to make myself some lunch because I am officially done eating out. This first month of living on my own without any roommates really just made me realize I can't even afford to eat out anymore, which is fine. So I'm just going to keep it real simple and make me some hamburger helper that I bought yesterday. I know I just bought it yesterday. Where did I put it? I'm confused. Okay, yeah, well, I thought it was in here. Give me 1 second to figure out where I put it. Okay, so it was laying down, so I confused myself a bit there. But yeah, this is the hamburger helper I'm going to make. Yeah, even though I've made it before, I'm still gonna read the directions because that's just what I do. But I will come back to you guys when I'm eating lunch. So yeah, again, when we're talking about budgeting and affording, I'm only going to use half of this meat and save the other half for when I make spaghetti because it's just me, so I don't need that entirely much. I'm just gonna squeeze it right out of here. I don't know, I don't like touching uncooked meat really. Ah, shoot. Say that as I drop it. And y'all, I just cleaned up. I already told y'all that, so that's why I feel okay with just throwing it right back in my pot because I just sanitized my stove. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more meat actually. And this is not on, I'm just putting it straight into the pot, and then I'm about to crunch it up and season it. And then I will save the rest of this for when I make spaghetti tomorrow. So at this point, I'm pretty sure y'all trying to figure out why is this girl cooking meat in a pot and not a skillet. The reason why is because obviously I don't have any skillets. I need to go and get everything that I need for my apartment, but I kind of just moved here so abruptly that I don't have everything. But yeah, either way, it's gonna get cooked. And I'm not cooking that much meat. As you guys can see, I was only cooking half of that little bitty thing. So I'm just gonna season with my Creole seasoning, some black pepper, and oh, this is Parmesan cheese. I didn't mean to grab that. I might add that afterwards. I thought that was garlic. Yeah, I don't know what it is with me and seasonings, but whenever I try and season something, I have to sneeze. Like, the seasoning is just too much for me. So now that I got it pretty much seasoned pretty well, Y'all know black people gotta add a lot of seasoning. I am just going to wait for it to start cooking, and then I'll start on my noodles and whatnot. Okay, y'all, since I did just clean up my kitchen, I'm trying to clean as I go, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe this side of the stove down just so that I keep it clean. And then I already put the dishes in the sink. It's okay that they're not in a dishwasher because I also don't have any more dishwashing liquid stuff left anyway for that, so I'm gonna have to buy some stuff to go in my dishwasher later. I do, however, don't think I'm just dirty, I have regular dishwashing liquid, so I can do it manually. I just don't want to because I'm lazy, but I can. But yeah, so I'm about to drain some of this out, let it cook some more, wipe this side of the stove off, and then I think I'm going to make me a breadstick to go with this as well. Yeah, so this whole time Charleston has been in the kitchen like, what's cooking, because he's Charleston. Y'all probably couldn't see him because he's down there, but there he goes. So anyway, sit down, Charleston. So I'm about to feed him some of these, some Beneful, sorry it's not focusing, some Beneful Simple Goodness little meatballs. That's gonna be his lunch so that he don't bother me and beg for my food, even though as soon as he scarfed down his food, he's probably still gonna do that. But I always put his meatballs in his tiny bowl. That's his regular dog food, and then water. So just give me 1 second to set him up and set my lunch up. Yeah, so it's gonna be a minute before my bread is ready, but yeah, look how fast he scarfed down these meatballs. Calm down, dang, you gonna choke. He is scarfing down these meatballs after I just put them in the bowl. You guys, so I paid $300 for this beautiful table that Charleston never lets me sit at. So I'm going to try and eat my lunch right here, but every time I try and sit down, he just go crazy and want to get up here and want to eat. But as y'all can see, I just fed him meatballs, so I don't know why he just won't let me be great, but I'm going to try it. So hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what Charleston be pulling. I don't know what y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can see something. Okay guys, so I did just go out and do another Instacart order, but I'm back in the house. I am tired and I think I'm going to call this vlog a day and end it right here. I just vlogged a little more today just because I wanted it to be a little bit longer than just my school stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the My Vibe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Please, please, please leave me a comment down below because you guys have not been commenting on my videos lately, and I love reading your comments and responding to them. So please leave a comment, and goodbye.